school children across the Channel Islands have been taking on the role of BBC reporters today as part of the BBC School Report project. Pupils have just published the news they've uncovered from the communities where they live, and in Alderney, school children are voicing their concerns about the island's falling population. Tonight's next report is by pupils of St Anne's School.
The population of Alderney has been rapidly falling over the past few years. Although the States of Alderney is working hard on ideas to reverse the situation, there is a feeling that States members could be doing more.
Well, we've got a number of action plans in place, and I have to say there is no sort of magic wand on this. You know, a lot of it is hard work. Some of the things we can control ourselves, and we're working hard on that. Some of the things we're doing, we have to convince others, particularly Guernsey, that they need to help us. And I think that message is getting through now. They understand that this is depopulation, which is different from just an economic recession.
Down at the school, the problem is reflected in the school registers, with pupil numbers in steady decline. 77 pupils have left St Anne's School since 2008. Classes have been merged together and teachers are facing redundancy.
2 years ago, a Year 5 class had 15 young people in it. 1 year later, when we entered Year 6, there were 10 of them. That's because 5 young people, because of their family's employment situation, had to leave Alderney and move away from the island. That's an enormous number of people in a small school leaving, and that represents around about 1/3 over the last 5 years that have left. That's a lot of people, and when young people leave the school in those kind of numbers, I'm afraid it has a big impact on the school as a community, really.
Alderney's population has decreased hugely in the past 5 years, but we hope we can reverse this trend with efforts from the States of Alderney.
We have the same difficulties as the UK, but here in the small island of Alderney, we may feel the effects a lot more.
However, as the future generation, we expect more from the island on which we choose to live.
Harry, Hannah
And Joe,
for BBC School Report in the Channel Islands.
And thank you very much, you three.